Where are we today, Mr. Brian?
We're at Toccoa Falls Waterfall and Walking Trail.
Okay. What do you think?
I think it's 987 more steps.
Riley, are you up for it?
I'll try it. She doesn't like walking on gravel, but we'll see how far she gets.
Yeah, hopefully she'll do okay.
Okay, Ray?
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
How many years is it now?
We won't tell.
Oh my gosh. Wow. That's humongous.
She made it to the largest waterfall, the tallest waterfall in Georgia, Toccoa Falls.
Yay. What do you think, Riley? Are you impressed? She's ready to take a nap.
On the big rock.
Is that
right?
nice and warm, that rock? Hey Flo, good girl. You're liking the waterfall?
Yeah, it's that fun trying to dig in the mud over here.
Oh wow, look at the rainbow. That's so cool. All right, so what happened to the great adventurer? Let me see.
It brushed up against a tree that was all soggy.
That's what you get when you're trying to skydive off of that thing.
Yeah, I know, right?
We could go in
You have it all over the side of your face.
Yeah. I had a duck. The tree was only this tight, so I'm doing this and she's pulling me like that.
Oh yeah.
And it pulled me right against the tree.
So it's all your fault, Flo.
It's all your fault, Flo.
Okay.
That wasn't a long walk at all.
No, sure wasn't. Now you can see the rainbow really good.
Wow. Oh, yeah.
Doesn't it seem like it would be in Hawaii instead of here? Wow. Man, it's like so refreshing with that mist.
I know.
Hitting your face and it feels so good. Oh yeah, looking good, looking good.
Made it to the top. I got you. Say what's up.
Come on,
There's Popsy over there.
come on up, Poppy.
And then Mom.
Come on. It says back in 1977, the dam holding back the lake above the falls collapsed and 40 acres of water surged over the falls, covering where we're now standing and sweeping through the campus. Flooding left 39 dead and 60 injured. And they got all kinds of people from all around the world giving all kinds of gifts to help rebuild and get things back to where they were. So that's pretty crazy that that happened. Can you imagine that? Water just gushing down over here and flooding this whole area. Up here. All right, now just go right back around here. Toccoa! It was a long, long hike. Very difficult. But we made it. We made it.
All uphill.
Yes.
All uphill.
All right. And Riley even made it, didn't
Yes,
you?
she did.
That was nothing compared to yesterday.
Yeah.
It's my rock pile. Beautiful stone.
Yep.
Going.
And the only thing holding it up is that root down there.
Yeah.
Is this your first visit to the falls here?
Second, we were here. I was still in active duty. It's probably been at least 10 years.
It still looks the same, right?
It, you know, it's still wet.
Yeah.
Water's still flowing. It's amazing.
Beautiful. And
Yeah.
Okay, how many steps did we make it down?
I don't even think we're halfway there yet.
Oh man, this ought to be fun coming up. We still have way more to go, and this is just a small little, you can't even tell how steep that is.
Wow. Look. That's amazing.